Do not try this at home, kids. I'm a professional. I'm gonna take you on my hair journey as I go from this dirty silk press to my beautiful, luscious curls. But over here, we do not hold on to unhealthy hair because we are afraid to get a haircut. We value health over length. So I'm snipping away, but I'm not cutting too much because I'm not that crazy. I still want my hair to be cut properly, but just a little trim, never hurt nobody. That way, my hair is growing healthy, not growing with a bunch of split ends. Okay, the back is gonna be a little difficult, but I got it, ain't no problem. It's feeling good. You have to let it go. You have to let it go. Let go of the dead weight. Okay, now that we're done cutting my hair, what I do is take this Mizani Wonder Crown and put it all throughout my scalp. And I've sectioned my hair off into 4 parts. Taking this thing. This rosemary water from As I Am. And I don't want to just go straight into my curly hair, so I'm going to spray my hair with this. And with the Bond Salve from Curlsmith, and put that throughout my hair, especially on my ends, since I did just do a silk press. Okay, that's one section that's done. Be right back. I'm gonna do the other 3 sections. I am so into using these scalp washes to really wash out, build up, and all the products that are in my head. So I'm just rinsing that out right now. The scalp wash is from this brand called Mizani. And I just really make sure that I am scrub-a-dub-a-dubbing before I shampoo. Now it's time to shampoo, and today I'm using Perfect clarifying shampoo. First I start at my scalp and then bring it all around my hair. This shampoo and line is amazing. I really feel like the product is quality, is really great, and I'm really getting a clean scalp after this. And I got this new tool to scrub my scalp with and gently massage my scalp, and it felt so good. It doesn't look like I was being gentle, but I promise I was. I just can't really tell in this little bitty clip. But I'm washing it out, and I really feel like my hair is clean and not tangled. And then I'm taking this leave-in conditioner that's very hydrating from Revair. Revair is the blow drying company, and they are the ones who sent me a bunch of products with the dryer that I'm gonna use later. And so I'm just really putting that all throughout my hair and tying my hair up into 2 buns so that my hair really soaks up the moisture from the conditioner while I wash my body. And then I rinse it out. Okay, I am out the shower. And to give my hair a break from a side part, I'm gonna do a zigzag part. So I'm doing the zigzag part to give my side part and middle part a break. Give it a try. And it just looks cute whenever my hair is braided out. And then I'm taking this rosemary water from As I Am and spraying my hair to give it a little bit of moisture before I style it with leave-in. So then I take this leave-in conditioner from Curlsmith and apply that all throughout the section. And I'm using the L.O.C method, so the oil is next, this Jamaican castor oil. I put this on my hair and on my ends to make sure that my ends and my hair are moisturized. I don't use the same oil on my scalp. So I take this oil from Revair to apply to my scalp. Yes, I use 2 different oils. And then the last step is this braid glaze, because we're doing the L.O.C method. Leave-in oil cream. And then here I go, braiding my hair. And I really like the L.O.C method lately that I've been using. I do feel like there's a difference in how my hair shines and how my hair is taking in the product. I always used to do oil first, which I don't know why I was doing that. I was just doing whatever. But the girls have shared with me that for low porosity hair, you should be doing leave-in, conditioner, oil, and then your cream. But my cream is the braid glaze. You're all braided up. Now it's time to use my Revair. I absolutely hate wash and goes, so that's why I am drying my hair. But also, this Revair tool helps like stretch your hair, so, and doesn't add any heat damage. But we're team no wash and go over here because it breaks off your hair and messes up your hair density. We're all done. Slept on it a couple days. Now let's undo my braid out.
She make you pay, rich, get you bought. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to bump. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it comes to arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me praise. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening?
And here are the final results, but I'm still going in and stretching it just a little bit more to give my hair some length and reduce shrinkage. I have so much shrinkage. And look how beautiful my hair came out. And that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.